folks, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'll just show you on how to clean a rear AC. In my previous video you have seen how to clean the front AC for Innova, and specifically for Innova there would be a rear AC where the same configuration what was in the front would be in the behind. That's the reason you say a lot of air or AC much powerful when compared to the other segment. So this is a rear AC component which is exactly behind to or be at the end of the driver seat. Now you can see the panel. I'm just trying to open the panel or a cover which would be molded to the body. Now we are just opening up the screws, and there is a press button socket for specifically Innova. Now you can see I've just unclamped it or pulled it, so it opened up from the clipping. Now you can see a full view of the rear AC setup of Innova. So that is the feel or a fan would be there which would be connected, and that is a compressor cabin. And now you can see there is a lot of dust which has been coming out from coming inside from the outside. And you can just see I have just opened up the fan, which is a similar to the front car setup. I just opened up the fan. You can just see I just how the entire setup looks, and this is how I just opened up. There will be a 3 screws. You can unscrew it, the fan comes out, open up the socket. So now you can just see I'm just trying to clean up the fan. You can just see how the dust is coming out. The entire ring, this is where it is connected to the battery, where it will start rotating and push the air inside the compressor, and then when the cooling of the air starts. Now you can see the entire component is being cleaned up, and now I'll start cleaning up the place or area. So this exactly fits in like this again. Now I just did a vacuum clean for that place because the entire portion of that was dirty. So I just did a blower, a clean, and a vacuum suck, so that the entire place is being cleaned, so that whenever it is sucking the air, so the dust or air will not be circulated. So once that has been done, I have just started fitting up. You can just see the fan or a blower will be fitted inside the socket or a portion. I just fitted that, started putting the screws. I'll just put the screws. So ensure whenever you are fitting, try to put it under your floor mat or any of the places. So what I have done it here, because I should not lose any of the screws. So I've just started fitting one by one. So the fan exactly sits in the center of the cabin. I'll just fit in the screw exactly which is linked to that. There are 3+1 screw, which is the 3 screws which are in the side 3 of the fitting, and 1 screw fits to the fan. If you want, you can refer my previous video where how exactly the fitting can be done. The front and the rear portion are one and the same, but the setup would be different. So now you can see they are fitting the third nut. So I just fitting now the fan nut where it exactly fits in the center. I just tightened up and just checking whether the screws or nut is properly been tightened or not. Then I connect the plug of the socket. You can see the clear setup. Earlier how dirty it was, now you can just see how clean it looks. This is the entire mold which would be fitted or pressed into the sockets, and this is how it looks. This is a cup holder, and this is a space or a cap where the air is being sucked inside the cabin. And you can see the complete setup of this. And now you see how clean it has been done. I have just started pressing it. I am just putting it back. I just pressed it up. As I mentioned in my previous video, this is the experiment which I have read through the menu, and I have done and tried myself as a best practice, which will help in clean and good air for the car. Please do try yourself, which would definitely benefit. Do like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you very much.